morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I'm just going to do a flip through today for Medieval Mirage of the two journals we've been working on. Next week we'll start a new project, but I thought it would be nice to have a flip through just so that you could see how it all came together, all the weeks of making. So I'll go through this one first. You'll remember the cover. And I'm not sure that I need to do any more in here, but anyway, I will see. So we'll just go through what I put in. Got our book page, our book plate in there, some ephemera. Ephemera, someone asked, there's lots of new people around. Ephemera are bits and pieces of old receipts, written sort of things. These are also considered ephemera because they're little journal cards and tags and stuff that you can write on. Love that page. So I think I went through and finished off this. I just like that there. I liked all the colors and everything happening and seeing that behind. This is why I like things to be all a different size, because you can get little peekaboo details. Oh, someone asked me, who asked me that? I can't remember. How do they say that in Italian? Cuckoo in Italian. I think I wrote cuckoo. Cuckoo in Italian. Yeah. Anyway, losing my train of thought, being silly. Here's a piece of Florentine paper. Just another piece of ephemera and one that I made. Oh, I like those. I need to make more of those. I need to remember that. I'm going to just sort of pop that up here. Okay. And then we have this one. Put some actual pieces in there to use, and then made that with the rag paper. And I bent it, obviously pushing it in. And then this is the center of the signature. We've got a journal card, envelope with a little journal card in there, big tag, and a side tuck. We'll put some ephemera in here and a journal card. I do like how those turned out. I don't think I kept any of those. This flips up and I just love it actually, and put that one in there and then a little tag in there. I just had my smoothie, so I got the hiccups. Got this pocket here, and I put some old document behind. Just a minute, I love that tag too. So this one is, you can write on it, or you could tear it up and use it. And then just this beautiful old document, 18, for someone, I didn't write. Anything that's written on documents, I did not write on them. 1844, I leave it there so that way, it's because sometimes it's hard to find the date on them. So if the antique dealers in the past, sometimes they even write prices on them. I mean, there are documents in my pack and they have, some of them have €5 written on them, others have €40 written on them. So I don't know where they were selling them at those exorbitant prices, but yeah, I sometimes I'll leave that on there just so the people, whoever receives them, are aware of. I love that. Oh gosh, guys, I don't remember making. I do remember doing these, but didn't remember making it. I really do like that. Yeah, so yeah, I like to leave that on sometimes, and love that with the ephemera. I think I might make some botanical ones, just with my kits as well, because I haven't done that. Oh, see, I thought that was, I had forgotten last week when I was flipping through. It's a big journal card with a big tab on the top, so that way it's easy to pull out and put in. But it looks like a narrow tag, doesn't it? And then that flips out. Actually, there's a pocket there. That's okay, I can slide. I don't have any more Medieval Mirage ephemera left made. What I do have is plenty of my own real ephemera. So let's just put this in there. I had missed that pocket. I just fold them to fit. Half the time I have to fold them multiple times to get them to fit in there, because I'm a ding-dong. There we go. Okay. Oh, you know, so I could put in there. Wait, let me see. I've got postcards flying around. They're all sort of more themed postcards. What I would like is one of my Italian postcards. What's this one? don't feel like that one's appropriate. You know, like one of my room or something like that. One of those postcards would be nice. What about this? Just to add another colour. Let's have the stamp cuckooing out. Okay, so Florentine papers or Italian decorative papers, piece of beautiful, some of my favourite papers to use, and a lovely journal card. I've got some ephemera in there. I'm going to show everything because I've got the other journal as well. Big tag or journal card, whatever you want to call it. That's a tag. That's more the tag shape. And here we have, oh, this one, I only made one of those. That one that I did that, and then I put that in there. I do remember making that. Love these long tabs and things like this. Very like different. Oh, and I like that with the embroidery on there, and then beautiful old piece of paper there. That's really early 1800s. Could be 1700s. Some of them I couldn't find the dates. They were damaged, so they all came apart. There's a all written postcard. Another one of the tags with the belly bands. Skipping pages here. Some ephemera. I love it all. 1929, and that journal card tag there. So lots of room to do things in here. Just gorgeous. I love, this is like some of my favorite. I just love all of that stuff. I like that too. And then that just flips out. Wormy paper that I glued down just so it's a bit thicker there. And then we have a side tuck here, and we have this journaling spot. That's amazing, Jarf. That looks really old. And then that's another journaling spot there, and I've just tucked those in there. And then here we have this that flips out that I really enjoyed doing, and then I just put some book page and some ephemera in there. So that's the first journal. I can't remember who's next on my list. Anyway, and then this one is spoken for. I think I've got just got the journal number in there. So we put the flower on that. I didn't like it on the other one, so that's why I left it plain. Similar things in the front page and the book plate. Just glued that all down. That could be glued down further, and that, I think I would just use that as a writing page. And of course you can write all over here. And then you have this, and then a tag with a tag, or journal card with a journal card, whatever you want to say. Got the tabs. Love that extended page. Did put a bit of a botanical there. We have this here, and then we put, I think we did this all together. I put that in there. I might have added that afterwards. I can't remember, guys. Memory like a sieve. Journal card, and then broken envelope in that one. Put that in there. I had forgotten that pocket. So that big journaling spot went in there. Just some old book page, some writing paper, tag in that belly band. You can slip something else in there. Love all of that look too. Even though totally different time periods. This is sort of more, what is it, Art Nouveau to early 1900s, very early. And this is obviously medieval mirage, so could be a bit Renaissance, like that's a bit Renaissance. But then of course this could be more medieval. And then we have this journal card and some book page and ephemera behind. Loved using this too on the botanical paper. Love that botanical paper. I'll have to buy more when I run out. Got an envelope there, got some ephemera behind. Didn't want to decorate this just because I love it. And fixed up this page here that had some tears and put some book page and journal card in there. And then we're into our middle signature. Love the art pages. I just love the artworks. I love frescoes. It's the colors. I just love the way they were done. Beautiful big journal card there, and tag here. I like doing that with those pages too when I fold them up. And then another journal card, and love those receipts. Even those have great value. I do have things where the dealers and the collectors have ripped them off, so they always remind me when negotiating with them. Oh, it's got all the all the tax stamps on them. Yeah, these are tax sort of stamps. Yeah, Marca da Bollo, that's a tax stamp. It's a form of tax that goes to the government. We have to put those on lots of things, like if we go and get an identity card, or if you get your passport. Italians, when they get their passport, they have to have a Marca da Bollo. But they're automated. They come out of a machine now. They're sticky labels that come out of a machine, whereas before they were stamps. They look like stamps. They're not actually. Look, beautiful old. Oh, guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's gone in there. That's for you, Kelly. And I'm parting with it. I have too much stuff, so I'm trying to put some nice things. Here's the big tag. I love those. I did those with Jarf's journal pages. It's like going back down memory lane, isn't it? Because you work on it for weeks and then you don't remember all the bits that you made. That one. Love the old papers. And got some Florentine paper and just a folded up journaling spot on that. Loving that pocket. Tag with a belly band, some more Florentine paper, and then some of these lovely, beautiful big journaling spots on rag paper. Tab, pull out. We did all of this together. Those in there. Oh, I need to put a paper clip there. I'll do that after. Just a envelope with a journaling spot. And then this envelope was slightly different to the other one because it was a long one. And I put, again, ephemera and Florentine paper in there. And that's left for Kelly to do whatever she likes with. I did end up popping just a little bit of glue under this bit here. It was lifting. So Kelly, if you find anything lifting, just slip a little bit of glue under there. So there we go. So those are the 2 Medieval Mirage journals completed. And we are going to excitement move on to a new project. So thank you so much for watching, and those who followed along for following along. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.